Hi guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am doing a unboxing of a GLOSSYBOX. Now this is an edition box as I have done this month's monthly subscription box already. So I'm unboxing the Mother's Day edition box. Now this will be going to my mum, but I don't think she'll mind me unboxing it for you guys to show you what's inside of it. It's very simple but very beautiful. I think I did get my mum one last year from GLOSSYBOX or a couple years ago, but I never did a video on it. She does love a GLOSSYBOX, so I'm excited to give this to her for Mother's Day. It was £25 for a subscriber and then £30 I believe for a non-subscriber. Now these went on sale on the 11th of March at 12 PM for a subscriber, and then it was open for non-subscribers to obviously purchase theirs at 7 PM. Now I think it sold out pretty fast. I think in like half an hour I think they said, which that is super fast, but I think the non-subscribers weren't able to get a box then, and then also some of the subscribers didn't get any either. I think they made a low amount of boxes for obviously how many subscribers and then non-subscribers to actually purchase these boxes. So obviously when they posted that they sold out on Instagram and I think it was Facebook as well, I checked the comment section and everyone was like, you know, I do work, and obviously they couldn't get it at 12 PM because it was quite, you know, 12 PM, you know, people are still working. And then obviously if it's already sold out, then non-subscribers could get them. So they kind of made a low amount of boxes. Now hopefully with future edition boxes they will kind of make more boxes for people. I know they're coming out with an Easter box, so if you guys want me to try and get that one, then please like this video and also comment down below that you'd like me to obviously purchase that box so I can do an unboxing for you guys. So I'm excited to see what's inside this box. I know we had kind of like sneak peeks, but I didn't really like read into it. I wanted to kind of like see it firsthand when I opened up this box. I know Mum's gonna love it anyway. So if you'd like to see what is inside this Mother's Day edition box, then please just keep on watching. So again, the box, I love it. I think it's so pretty. My mum does keep some of my boxes that I do monthly and like store stuff in, so I know she'll be excited about this one. It does feel quite heavy, so let's open it up. Here's the inside of the lid. It says I got it from my mama. We do get a description card of all the products, and then this is what the tissue paper and the ribbon looks like. I won't open it yet, I'm just going to read the description of this box like I always do in these videos. So this is the front cover of like the pamphlet booklet thing. So it says, Happy Mother's Day. For all the times a thank you went unsaid, this beauty box is my way of showing you how much I appreciate everything you do. You are one of the lucky few to receive our Mother's Day GLOSSYBOX, and no one could deserve it more. To make your day as special as you, this limited edition includes all the essentials you need to relax and look your best. From rejuvenating skincare to the top of the range makeup and an indulgent candle. We've filled this edit with some of our favourites, as well as luxury brands that have never before been featured in GLOSSYBOX. Enjoy these 9 sumptuous must-haves, you've earned it. Aww, I do like that. On the bottom here it says, not a GLOSSYBOX subscriber yet. Get 40% off your first box using this unique discount code. So that's that one. I will also link it in the description box as well if you want to use that one. Right, so now I'm going to open this up. I'm going to do it off camera so I'm very gentle so I don't rip it all. Just because obviously it is going to my mum for Mother's Day and I want it to still look very nice. And here is the box filled with so many goodies. I'm just going to pop it onto the side and then pick one thing at a time. So the first product we have is by CLARINS, and this is the Extra Firming Wrinkle Control Regenerating Night Cream, and this is a 15ml little tube, and it's for all skin types. Now I'm going to read off the description card just because there's nothing else that I can read on the back. So CLARINS Extra Firming Night Cream. Wake up with plumper and firming looking skin thanks to this expert night cream. Its unique formula blends kangaroo flower extract and moonstone hydrated silica to regenerate skin overnight and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. A youthful and even complexion awaits. So that was a deluxe size for £18. A full size of 50ml is £63. Wow, okay. So the next product is by Crabtree in Evelyn. It's rose water and pink peppercorn hydrating hand recovery. Now this is a 25 grams tube, and I do think this brand was in the GLOSSYBOX advent calendar last year, if I remember correctly. Probably not. Again, there's nothing on the actual packaging, so we'll have to kind of go to the description card to find out what this is. Achieve soft and smooth hands with this award-winning hand scrub. Formulated with restoring shea butter and natural exfoliants, it removes dead skin cells and debris, leaving your skin intensely hydrated and renewed better yet. The blend of rose water and peppercorn smells delicious. Again, this is a deluxe size and that's worth £8. A full size is 100 grams and that is worth £18, which is not bad actually. That smells really, really nice. I know she'll like that. So that's the second product. The next product is by Beauty Bio and it's the Sculptor Skin Firming Body Cream. Now this is a 30 milliliter little tube and it just says on the back, generously massage the sculptor onto cleansed skin. That is basically what it says on the back, so we'll have to read the description card again. Beauty Bio, the Sculptor. Say goodbye to stubborn thighs and body dimples with this luxurious hydrating body cream. Boosting firming sea algae, organic green tea oil and aloe vera. It improves your skin's elasticity, prevents free radical damage and stimulates repair. Soft cashmere-like skin awaits. Again, this is a deluxe size and it's worth £11.60p. A full size is 180 millilitres and that is worth £70. Okay, next product. Okay, so the next product is by Molten Brown. I've never tried anything from this brand, but I have heard good things. And this is the Suede Oris Bath and Shower Gel. So it just says for this product, enjoy a truly relaxing bathing experience with this sensuous bath and shower gel. The rich notes of Tuscan Oris Absolute and Smooth Couture, I think that's how you say, suede caresses your senses, making your skin feel as soft as a feather. Again, that's a deluxe size and that's worth £3. Full size of 300 millilitres is £22. My mum loves everything to do with bath products, so I know she'll like this one. And it does smell nice, she'll definitely use this. Okay, so now we have a product by OPI and it's a nail lacquer and this is in the colour Frenchie Likes to Kiss. It's a really nice purple, but it's got like a pearlized shimmer to the actual colour. It's like a kind of silver pearlized colour, which is super pretty. I don't think it will pick it up on camera. Okay, so it says these highly pigmented nail lacquers are super rich, long lasting and chip resistant. You'll receive one of the two gorgeous shades, 7 Wonders of OPI or Frenchie Likes to Kiss. For best results, apply 2 coats over a base and then finish with a top coat. Now these are £13.50. I never knew they were that expensive. So the next product is by probably one of my favourite brands and it's a Yankee candle. Now I love Yankee candles myself and I know my mum absolutely loves them. I always buy her Yankee candle if it's Mother's Day, for Christmas, for her birthday. I love giving her candles because I love them myself. This is Yankee candle. I just didn't get it from the actual shop. It was from a different shop. I can't remember which one. It's Yankee Candle Home Inspiration and it's Holiday Magic. So I have got a Christmas one burning still, but I love the smell of it. Christmas ones have been my favourite fragrances of Yankee candles. So I will light one the whole year round because I love it. Okay, so this one is in the scent Fresh Cut Roses. I don't really like roses scent, so it's not my favourite. But I'm sure she will love it. She does love Yankee candles and she just puts them on like the fireplace and lights them and yeah. Okay, so these are the small jar candles. Nothing says relaxation like Yankee candles, providing up to 30 hours of fragrant enjoyment. This small jar candle is made with quality raw materials which ensure an excellent quality burn. You'll receive 1 of 4 luscious scents and the retail price is £8.99. It looks like one was called Sun Drenched Apricot Rose, one that I can't even read, and the other one is called A Calm and Quiet Place. Okay, so the next product is by Laura Geller, and this is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator, and it is in Diamond Dust. So on the back it does say, illuminate your natural beauty. This innovative hybrid texture applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous colour that can be swept all over the face for a lit from within glow. A fresh 3D design captures the look of our favourite Italian dessert and lasts until the very last application. Let's have a look at this one. I've never tried a product from Laura Geller before. So that's the product. Some of the product is around the side, so I'm going to clean it up. Maybe I should do the swatch with that. Oh my god, it's literally just come out of the pan on the floor. Luckily it didn't break, so I have to put it back in there, but it is loose. I'm going to have to get a hot glue gun or something to stick it back in. Oh my god. So that's the swatch anyway there. I might have to replace it with another highlighter. I don't know. Like, it's literally come away. Oh, how am I going to put this back? I don't think I can glue it because it's product. It hasn't got like a surface that I can glue it to. Just be careful if you have one of these, because... So it just says, simply sweep it across your cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow and chin for an iridescent lit from within glow. So that's a full size for £21. Okay, so next product is by BAREMINERALS, and this is the Barepro Longwear lipstick, and it's in the colour Petal. Let's look at this colour. And that's the colour Petal. I think she will wear this colour. She's more into like neutrals, browns. So when I was growing up, she used to love a brown lip. She does love BAREMINERALS as well. When I unboxed their calendar last year, most of their products did go to my mum, just because she does love the mineral products, and she was quite happy as well. Right, so let's just read about that product. It says, you're going to love this vegan, creamy, long-wear lipstick. Blended with mineral pigments and infused with baobab and berry oils, sunflower seeds and jojoba waxes. It nourishes and conditions your lips. Better yet, its highly pigmented, soft matte finish is smudge, budge and transfer proof. Now that was a deluxe size and that is £12. A full size is £20. So just £8 more and you can get a full size. So now we're on to the last product, and this is by Peter Thomas Roth, and it's the 24K gold mask, pure luxury lift and firming mask. So it says apply for 5 to 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly with warm water, use 2 to 3 times a week or as desired. This is a 15ml tub. That's what the gold mask looks like. I love that. I love a good mask and I really want to try it out, but I will obviously give it to her and I'll probably buy the full size to try it out with. Infused with pure 25K gold and colander gold, this lavish face mask helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its unique blend of caffeine, hyaluronic acid and glycerin firms, lifts, brightens and calms the complexion. It's the ultimate anti-aging treatment. Now that is obviously a deluxe size and that's worth £9. The full size is 150ml and that's worth £68. Bloody hell, that's a lot of money. So that was the last product in this Mother's Day edition box. Now I know she's going to be happy with every single one of these products and I can't wait to give it to her. I will add some other bits and bobs in here, like maybe some Lush products or I don't know, some other products that I might have for her. But I know she's going to be so excited with this box. I do think this box was worth the £25 that I paid as a subscriber. It's got, you know, makeup products, skin products, hands and nail products. I just think they need to make more of the boxes so everyone can obviously get one and kind of release it a little bit later, maybe after when people are you know, not working or, you know, things like that really. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here, but it's also linked in my description box if you guys go and check that out. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.